Hello guys and welcome back. Today we have a 20 kilogram CNFANS. So if you guys want to check out any items, check out that link in the description. And if you guys want to get cheaper shipping, make sure to use the sign up link. And now let's start unboxing. On to the first item, we have a Groot Lego figure. As you guys can see, this is how it looks like. This was only $6 if you guys know. And honestly, for $6, there's nothing you can do wrong with these. And yeah, 100% recommended. Now let's get on to the next item. On to the next item, we have a Goya card holder, or how the fuck do you pronounce it? Honestly, this costs $3. The quality on it is insane. And for the money, you can't really complain in it. On the inside, you have like the yellow interior of it, and yeah, honestly, $3 totally a cop. Now let's check out the next one. On to the next one, we have a Stasi football tee. The Stasi football tee was around about $10. The quality on it is insane. By the way, this is stitched, this is not glued, even comes with tags, and this is the back of it. And now let's put it on and let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you put it on. And honestly, I'm not really a fan of football tees, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, now let's check on to the next item. On to the next item, we have some Cartier shades. I think these shades were around about $50 if I'm not sure. I bought them from a seller on WhatsApp. Let me show you what it looks like. These are the glasses, as you guys see. This is what it looks like when you put them on. And honestly, for the price, totally worth the money. The UV light protection is very good on them. But by the way, as you guys see, these are green lenses. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have some chrome heart shorts. These shorts were around about, if I'm not sure, $35. And the tee for it was also $35, but let me just show them together. So let me put them on fast. So as you guys can see, I've put them on. This is what it looks like. This is a chrome heart tee, by the way. Look from the side, from it's fully detailed. On the back, it looks something like this. Honestly, this is a great wear if you're playing basketball. It's super comfortable and it has airflow in it, so you won't really be sweating a lot. And yeah, now let's get on to the next items. On to the next thing, we have a Gymshark tee. This Gymshark tee was around about $10 if I'm not sure. And now let me put it on and show you what it looks like, guys. This is something what it looks like when you put it on. When you stand up, it looks something like this. It's slim fit, by the way, like it's stretched out. On the back, it looks something like this. And yeah, if you guys have big muscles, this will look better on you. But yeah, now let's check on to the next item. On to the next item, some guys asked me to order fucking chrome hearts underpants, which is crazy. This is what these look like. These go for around about $45 if I'm not sure. And yeah, if you guys want to spend that much on a pair of chrome hearts underwear, you do you. I won't really order one more or less, but yeah. Now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have something that's different. This is a white tee. It says cheaper than a divorce attorney and quite faster too. It's basically a picture of a Porsche. And on the front is basically fully blank, but this fits perfectly. So it's honestly a 10 out of 10 cop. If you guys want a clean white tee with a clean print on it, I 100% recommend you this, guys. On to the next thing, we have some Eric Emanuel shorts. These shorts were around about $4 if I'm not sure. As you guys see, this is what they look like. They fit perfectly. The bad thing about it is they're only one layered, so you can basically see through them. But if you're dark skinned, you can, but only if you're white skinned. And yeah, honestly, for $4, there's nothing you can do wrong about these. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have an LV wallet. This LV wallet costs around about $15 if I'm not sure. It's fully real leather, as you guys can see, with the LV embroidery on it. You have 2 double slides for the money when you put it in, and then you have another 6 card holders if you guys need it. And yeah, and only the $15 is a complete steal. Now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have a $25 Lego Porsche set. As you guys can see, from the Lego looks something like this on the back. And honestly, for the money you're paying, it's totally worth it if you have gifts, if you have small brothers or stuff like that. Totally recommend getting this. And yeah, now let's check on to the last item. Now we got 2 more items, guys. Let's check them out. The second last item, we have these LV skates. These LV skates cost me around about $80 if I'm not sure. Oh, no, I got them discounted. By the way, CNFANS runs a whole fans event every 2 months where you guys can get these type of stuff 50% to 75% off, which is a complete steal. And yeah, just look at the quality of it. This was around about $25 if I'm not sure. And yeah, honestly, for the money you're paying, it even smells like real leather. So yeah, totally a cop. Now let's check on to the last item. On to the last item, we have this Dior bag. This Dior bag costs me a total of $40 if I'm not sure. As you guys can see, the embroidery of it is fully clean with the Dior logo. You even have a zipper, and inside you also have a zipper, which you guys can check out. There's a lot of things you can fit inside, and it also comes with this big Dior band. And honestly, if you're looking for a bag for $40, it's a complete steal. And if you guys want to check out any items, make sure to check out the spreadsheet, guys, and I wish you a wonderful day.